In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a daily and weekly planner in ClickUp. By the end, you'll have a clean, flexible system that keeps your tasks organized and your week on track. Start by opening ClickUp in your browser or the desktop app and signing in. Think of your workspace as your command center. It's where all your projects, lists, and tasks live. Before you do anything else, double check that you're in the correct workspace, especially if you're part of multiple teams or accounts. This makes sure your planner lands exactly where you want it. Next, look to the left sidebar and pick the project that will hold your planner. This could be something like personal productivity, side business, or home and family. Choosing the right home keeps your planner separate from unrelated work, so it's easy to find and maintain as your schedule evolves. Inside that project, create a new list. Click Add List or the plus icon next to List. In ClickUp, a list acts like a focused folder for related tasks and subtasks, which makes it perfect for daily and weekly planning. When the list creation panel opens, select Use Template. In the search bar, type Weekly, then choose Weekly Planner or the closest match in your template gallery and click Use Template. ClickUp will instantly build a ready-to-use framework with days, habits, and sections already in place. So you skip the busy work and start planning right away. Now tailor it to your life. Review the structure. Sections like daily tasks, weekly goals, or review, and rename anything to match how your days actually run, such as morning, afternoon, and evening. Add tags like work, personal, family, or health to slice your tasks by context. If your workspace has custom fields, turn on helpful ones like priority or time estimate to clarify effort and urgency. Feel free to add emojis for quick visual cues and adjust colors or statuses so the layout mirrors how you think and work. Make it part of your routine. At the start of each day, open the list, check off anything you finished, and add new tasks under the correct day or section. At the start of the week, review your weekly goals, sync tasks with your real schedule, and adjust priorities or move items forward as needed. Treat this planner as a living system. Over time, add new sections that match changing routines, and archive or remove parts you don't use. Use it as your daily GTD style notebook and as a weekly commitment tracker to keep goals and habits visible. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.